Hey guys, good morning. About 3:30 in the morning. Just getting up to go to the gym. Hope you having a great day. Remember, it's all about having systems in place that can do the selling and telling for you. So if you would like to learn how to make extra income passively without having to work for the money and exchange your time for it, then go to virtualincome.net to watch the free video. And if you want to just go ahead and activate your digital franchise, and go to virtualincome.org and you can activate your system right away. You can literally be making money instantly, 100% commission straight to your account. You will need an investment of $25, $100, $250, $500 to get started. So it's something that you can do on the side, and it will